So today I want to talk a little bit about woodworking and finishing utensils and bowls for the kitchen. A long time ago, my dad taught me how to finish wood products that you would use in the kitchen. And this spoon, I really like the design of. It was handmade, but the artist either was new and didn't know how to do a final finish, or figured it would never be used in the kitchen and it would be ornamental. What they did is they didn't do the final sanding. And because of that, when you wash it, it raises the grain of the wood. And you can see here how the grain is raised. And so once I washed it, I found the grain raised. The way you take care of this issue is you can use triple aught steel wool, and you can hand rub this to get rid of the raised grain. When I used to make spoons, bowls, and gun stocks, I would take a damp rag and rub it after I did the final sanding, and it would raise the grain like this. And you can see here the grain is raised. Then what you would do is take fine steel wool and rub this down to get rid of it. And then you might have to do this 2 or 3 times to get rid of this. Then when you wash it, you won't get the raised grain anymore. So that's just a little woodworking tip if you're making things for your kitchen. So please comment. We'll see you on the next video.